So we have to use this outhouse here. And look what they're doing to the house. This is the high pressure device they're using to clean the plumbing. And then look in front of the house. They have more trucks. Let me go a little faster here. Look at this. Hey, there's Sean. There's all these trucks. And they have to stop the traffic for the last 7 days because the trucks take up one full lane. See? It says great power of pooper scooping. Sean again. Another truck. It's backing up everything, the traffic. Those are the trucks in front of our house. Now let's go see the cherry blossoms. Go! What do you think, Sean?
Good. Let's go. Daddy, only 2 minutes now. Until we have to Yeah, I'm here, Daddy. Just hurry up. The children like Daddy. Where are you gonna?